Here's how easy it is to use Google Drive. You basically go to google.com Drive, and then you click on Google Drive. That will take you to your Google Drive. This is the way it looks. Now, any document that you want to create, you go to the upper left, and it goes to Google Docs. And then that's how you make the document. You do some typing in it, and then when you're ready to save, you put it up there, say doc. There you go. And so now if you want to download, you go to File, click on File, and you can scroll down, Download As, look at the choices. You can get a Word doc or a PDF if you don't want it changed. So if you do the Word doc, it downloads here. And then you can usually find that in your download file. Let's see if I can find a download file. So downloads, there's the downloads. And I should be able to find the doc. There it is. It's right there. So that's an easy way to go into your Google Doc file. Remember, you go to your drive, you look at a document. Let's say you've got a document here. That's right, it says cycle. And you go to the upper left, right here, download as. And then you can choose either PDF, which is a portable document file, or Word doc. Good luck.